All right, we're back. Gonna do another 2022 Star Wars signature break. Last one wasn't too exciting, but there goes the breaks. So, as our good friend Pete says from Dave and Adams, there goes the breaks, or them's goes the breaks. All right, but we have a full case of 12. I think we're going to open 6 for now and see how that goes. And then probably make a separate video for the last 6. So here we go. A random, or a half case of Star Wars signature. Like I said, they've probably been shuffled around by the arcade, by me, by who knows. So let's see what order they were meant to be in for this video and for us. So here we go, box number 1. And again, these all came from Hinkle Family Fun Center, where you can get stuff like this. Pretty neat. So here we go. Why does that look? Oh, wow. Oh, what? Oh my God! 3 of 5!
Darth Maul and Grievous.
It's Grievous and Maul!
Both your favorites.
Oh, wow, man! And we didn't put the Darth Maul up!
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow! Dude! When I saw it right here, I was like, okay, it's sideways for a reason. What is going on? Oh, we did it. We got a dual autograph. Oh, man. Ray Park and what's the other dude's name? Matthew Wood. These are my dudes, man. Boba Fett, Darth Maul and Grievous on a 5. Oh my gosh, we are so blessed. We are so incredibly blessed. So incredibly blessed. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Man, I hope I got it good on the camera. Oh wow. Oh wow. And this was just sitting there, like I said, it's been sitting here in our room. And, we got it from Hinkle. And it's been a while. It takes we got it, and it's been sitting here, and we finally got around to breaking it. But oh man, 3 of 5. That is the 3rd of 5 we pulled. All from Hinkle, all from the arcade.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, we are so blessed. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Well, I highly doubt anything's going to replace that. But we got 5 more boxes to go. Oh, my gosh. Huh? That was the first box.
That was the blue top box.
No. That one's still. Oh yeah. That was the top of the blue, but.
That's the one I pointed out.
See.
That's funny.
We should have had that there. Oh man. Oh man, we did it. In the first box. Oh man. And thank God this video is a lot better than the Boba Fett video. But oh wow. I told you we had a double signature. We had.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So blessed. So blessed. We're going to have to take a break on that one too, man. Oh, wow. All right. We're back. technically not a new break. We pulled that and just were freaking out and kind of stopped recording and all that and, you know, celebrating whatever. But we figured we owe it to you guys to, we said we were going to break 6 of these. And again, that would have been the first, well, in the video, this would have been the first box pulled. So that's what that is. So it's not a new batch. It's not 5 different ones. It's the same 6, half a case, and that one's the first box. We're just picking up where we left off. That one kind of deserved its own video, right? All right, so blessed. So all right, so here we go. We got 5 more 2022 Star Wars signature. That these all came out of the same case. So I just like to, you know, give people an idea what a case looked like when if they were gonna buy one. So here we go. Oh yeah, you knew that was coming. So I mean, this gets pulled all the time. So what we're gonna do is I can't lay it. There's a horrible sheen there. Oh. So I'm gonna leave it here, and we'll replace it if there's a better one. Who knows? That may stay up there the entire time. So here we go. But we used to joke about that one and C.O. Bibble. And there's another one that people pull up. Alright, here we go. Box number, technically 3 of this case. Ooh. What's that? Okay, this is the second time we've pulled this. But that'll replace that there. So there you go. So you know, you gotta get stuff like that to get to that. So here we go. Box number 3. Or, well, technically 4. But they are getting a little better. Ooh, Jango Fett.
I should very much like to meet this Jango Fett.
I would be very happy to arrange it for you.
Numbered? Is it numbered?
No,
Oh, it's numbered. All right,
20 to
50. Nice. And so that's cool. Jango Fett. Wow. So there we go again with the villains or the bounty hunters, and that's pretty good. Wonder why they decided not to put his helmet on. But there you go. So what's the 21 of 50? Nice. All right. So there you go. That's pretty good. And they're getting better. And we got 2 more to go. So let's see what else this half case has to offer. I saw the Fett and I was like, ooh, and then I was like, another one? And then I was like, oh wait, that doesn't say Bullock. And then I was like, wait, what's going on here?
I thought it did too. I was like, wait.
All right. There's a couple things I'm looking for. You knew that was coming too. That they pull that a lot.
Oh, dang.
So, again, if you like what Rebels, you'd be happy with that. So, we're running out of room here. So yeah, all right. Well, here we go. This is would be box number 6 of a half case that we got a killer out of. So let's see what we're gonna wrap up with. We've got nothing but villains, right? I assume that dude's... No, I don't know. I'm thinking that other guy's... I didn't watch Rebels, so who knows. What do we got here? Hey, whoa, 10 out of 10!
Wow.
What is... Who... Logray?
Logray.
So...
The leader.
Is he the leader?
I'm pretty sure. But I could be totally wrong.
Mike Edmonds as Logray. Hey, but look at that. 10 of 10.
Dang. So
Divided into himself. 101. It is.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
All right. So, okay. So, all right. So, sorry, dude. And Valen Hess. And Zeb. So 2 solid in a half case, okay? 21 of 50. Jango Fett and the dude that played him, yeah. The whole... I mean, he was in all the movies. Well, you know what I mean. Sheen is probably killing it. 21 of 50. And then, I don't know, that'd be cool if this guy's the leader. But I do like that. 10 of 10. I saw it was like gold. It was like looking different than this thing, you know?
Yeah.
And it's like, wow, I wonder. So, that's great. So, 10 of 10 of 50, and then don't forget this. Don't forget that. So, that was a half case that we got from Hinkle of 2022 Star Wars Signature Series. So, we still have 6 more. We'll do a separate video on that. But, yeah. So, I'm telling you, man, this is the place. So blessed. All right. All right, we're back. In the last couple of videos, I've been saying that I had a full case of 12. Well, a case is 20, not 12. So, we had 12. So, that's what we had. So, we did 6 the last video, and we're going to do the remaining 6. And see what was obviously in that case of 20, because these probably all came from the same case. But who knows? But either way, I'm an idiot. So, we got 6 random, or whatever, random case, or boxes. This is the one on top? Yeah. Okay, we'll save that one for last. And here we go. Let's see what we get. Let's see. I mean, you obviously know what we got if you're watching this one, what we got in the last one. So I want to give people a sense of what's in a case, I guess. So, or what could be in a case. Maybe it's a hot case. God willing. What the?
Someone we're not familiar with.
ETH. more animated, probably. And remember, my dude's gonna hold the best one, and it'll get replaced if the card's better, and who knows, that ETH Koth might be the best card we get in the 6. So here we go. Box number 2. BB-8. We got a number? Do we got a number?
Yes, 50.
Really?
Yes.
All right. Well, this is BB-8.
That's cool.
That's a local favorite here, so that'll probably go on her desk. But there you go. That gets replaced. Let's see if this even how far this actually moves down the line. BB-8 is gonna stay there. So Dave Chapman, BB-8, 46 of 50.
Yeah.
Well, they're getting better. Box number 3. Oops. What the? How'd it go that way?
Sure.
This is like our first good guy. I don't know if that other guy's a good guy. Huh. Oh, it's upside down. I was like, why does it look weird? Got excited there for a moment.
Darn.
Imperial Comms Officer. Everyone's favorite. So, let's see. I'm assuming that guy's better than that. Alright. So, BB-8. Still the best card so far. And that other guy didn't move. Box number 4. Let's see if get a 4 horseman woo out of box number 4. Are we gonna get a 4 horseman woo out of box number 4? Ahsoka? Ventress. We already have a Ventress. Not numbered either.
No, I don't think so.
But it's better than that. So. Alright, so I thought it was Ahsoka when I saw the two things. Alright, here we go. Box number 4. Bodhi, 15 of 50. So, man, he's a cool guy. Definitely, we'll get it moving. But, Riz Ahmed, Bodhi Rook. Alright, so this box has a story. When we got all these from the arcade from Hinkle, we don't know, we had a feeling about this box, so we put this box aside and we kept it, and we said no matter what we do, this would be the last box or whatever, because this is the big one. So let's see if we were right. Well, Rachel said, not me. But we already got that Darth Maul Grievous dual auto, so that's gonna be hard to beat. So I mean, where's it? I got it there. We'll just see. We'll put it there for reference because she said, you know, this was gonna be the one that was gonna be the one. So let's see. Here we go. And this is gonna be incredibly hard to do. Looks regular colored.
Someone random.
Rush Clovis. Oh, so who knows who that is? But she's trying to say that she called it was this box, so we'll just say that it was.
I said it was the blue bag.
But there you go. So BB-8 to 50, a fan favorite or a local favorite, and Bodhi 15 to 50. And if you want to recap on the entire thing, here, let's do this. So all right, so this is all of them that came from those 12. These are all the unnumbered. A lot of people, I have no idea who they are. Ventress. And then these are the hits. Numbered. Bodhi to 50. BB-8 to 50. Jango Fett to 50. And then Logray to 10. And then the piece de resistance. So yeah. And those all came from the arcade, ladies and gentlemen. So, you know, you never know what you're gonna find. Go down there, play some games, use some tickets, and you could end up with stuff like this. We've been blessed. So blessed.
Oh my gosh.
All right.